Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Alexandros and with me is Andrea, and if you watch with music, this is the broken down version of Over la Cabeza, over the head in Spanish. If you like to see it to music and practice it, I have the link in the info cards and in the description it's the first link. Let's get started and see what we're going to learn today. It's an improver to intermediate. Maybe if you do it faster counting, it is a little bit harder towards advanced, but the movements are not so hard if you get them nice and clean. So we first start with the basic 1, 2, 3, on 5, make sure you put your body weight back so the lady brings more body weight to the front. And then by 6 and 7, you give her a full rotation backwards. Then prepare on 1, 2, 3 for a double turn, 5, 6, 7. And we have a nice little look here. We're going to switch and bring up the right hand, just like you're doing up yours, sorry guys. And we're counting 1, 2, 3, and we're in. Now don't let go guys, wear it like a t-shirt. 5, 6, you turn. By 7, you gotta let go and switch. Rewind that part and break it down slowly so you're on time by 7 here. Then 1, 2, you wear the hands. 3, you switch the hands. 5, lift up and turn towards your left guys. 6, 7, surprise the lady with the turn, and we're once more in a nice little hook position as before. But in this case scenario, we're going to throw 1, catch on 2, and throw it behind by 3. Now we do that with the basic. 1, 2, 3. Prepare the right hand. Bring her forward on 5. Turn around on 6 and 7. This you have to stay close in order for it to work. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3. We put it over the head. I'm not too stinky. That's fine. And 1, 2, and roll the lady. Okay, I'm going to do it in this direction so you can see it a little bit easier. We're going to bring the hand over. 1, 2, and she's on roll. Then 5, 6, double progressional turn. Now back to the original side and try to translate that over. And 1, 2, on the roll. 5, 6, and 7. Then here, 1, 2, grab to the elbow, to elbow. 5, push the lady forward. 6 and 7, give her a turn, and you can also turn to the left. In the video with the music, I also did a little head roll if you like to apply it. Then we lead a crossbody lead, 1, 2, 3. Guys, hook on 5 as the lady goes forward. On 6, lift the left hand as you turn to the left. And 7, lower the hand as a surprise. A couple of times socially, if the lady doesn't know it, she might feel uncomfortable. 1, 2 more times, and then she will start understanding it. Now our reverse copa, 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7. We're going to use swivel, swivel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for a double. Now twist your elbow in, and you have a reverse hold here. Go in. 1, 2, switch to the right, go forward on 5 so she takes some progressional force. 6 and 7, bring her back. Put the right hand over the head. 1, grab the other one, 2, 3, lead her into crossbody lead, 5, 6, 7. And that's the whole shebang guys. I hope you like it. Make sure you comment and rate. Once again, I'm Alexandros with Miss Andrea from the Island of Cyprus, and we still have the Patreon page on. It just started about a month ago. We already have 2 Patreons, and if you like to help us get better camera, better lighting, and a wireless microphone to make the channel even better qualities, support us on Patreon. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.